Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Faizatul Mazia. I'm from English Department Education, and this video is about code switching in linguistics. There are four discussions in this chapter. The first is definition of code. The second is code switching. The third, make code, and the last is simulators and difference of code switching and make codes. First of all, we will discuss about definition of code. Okay, first of all, we will discuss about the definition of code. The term code is used to refer one of the variation in the linguistic hierarchy, so that in addition to the code that refers to languages such as English, Japanese, Indonesian, it also refers to language variation, such as regional variants, Javanese, dialect of Banyumas, Jogja, Solo, and Surabaya. There are two types of code in sociolinguistics. First is code switching. Code switching is the event of switching from one code to another. For example, speakers use Indonesian switch to Javanese. Code switching is one aspect of language dependence. In a multilingual society, in code switching, each language still tend to support the function of each and every function according to the context. For example, a speaker of black vernacular English saying, "We finna get to school on time today," instead of "We are going to get to school on time today." The second type is code mixing. Code mixing is the mixing of two or more languages or language varieties in speech. Code mixing is the change of one language to another within the same utterance or in the same oral or written text. It's a common phenomenon in societies in which two or more languages are used. Studies of code mixing enhance our understanding of the nature, process, and constraints of languages. There are similar and different both of code mixing and code switching. The similar of code switching and code mixing, it usually occurs when conversants use both languages together, switch between two languages to the extent that they change from one tongue to the other in the course of a single utterance. And the difference of code switching and mixing, it occurs when conversation use both language together in the course of a single utterance. Interference is the use of formal element of one code within the context or another. Okay, that's all for me. If you find many mistakes in my explanation, please pardon me. See you later and have a nice day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I got my head out the sunroof. I'm